Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to publish a feature class to ArcGIS Online. So there's a few things you want to check first. Make sure you've got a feature class created in your ArcGIS Geo database. And also you might want to make sure that you have attachments enabled on your feature class. So that way if you're collecting data in the field, you can attach pictures and other extraneous files if you so desire. So I will quickly do that by right-clicking on the name of my feature class and going into Manage. And under the Manage section, I will turn on attachments, and that will automatically add global IDs, which is fine. That's great. I'll leave that. But now my feature class will allow for attachments and photos to be uploaded and things like that as I'm collecting data in real time in the field. So once I've got that sorted out, we're going to publish this layer to ArcGIS Online. You will want to remove some of the base map layer stuff because that's not going to play well with ArcGIS Online. It doesn't like that when you publish a feature class from the software to the online version. So I'm going to right click and go remove. I'm just going to be left with my feature class. So once I'm finished with that, I'm going to pop over to the Share tab and I'm going to click Web Layer and I'm going to go Publish Web Layer. So I'm going to click that option there. And in my Share section, I'm going to set up a few things here first. Give it a name. You can give it a summary if you like. So type in whatever things that you want to type in there. You don't need tags or that's extra stuff, but if you want to add in some of those summaries, you can. So when people want to search for it, they'll be able to find it. And we want to use a feature option as the layer type. Do not use tile or vector. Use feature only for this because I'm using a point layer. It's vector data, so I will use vector. And if you've got folders set up in ArcGIS Online, you can tell it which folder to pop your new published layer into. I'm just going to put it in the root layer for now and provide the sharing level. If there's any groups that you want to share it with, you can go ahead and share it with the group there right on the fly. So these will be all the groups that you're grouped into in ArcGIS Online. If you don't see any listed here, then you are not in a group in ArcGIS Online. Once you've got that, I'm going to pop over to the Configuration tab and check that out, and then select Edit under my layers. So I've got the feature class here, and I'm going to click my little editor button, and I'm going to turn on the editing. So you make sure that editing is enabled, add, delete, update, and allow the sync and allow for export data. All right, and then if you want to track the editor tracking to see who's been editing your data online, you can turn that on too if you want as well. The content layer, there's not much going on there, but once you've got that all sorted out, that's great. So make sure you add your groups, make sure that you've enabled the editing, and you should be good to go. So now I'm going to click Analyze. There might be some warnings or errors coming up here. If the errors are in a yellow triangle, that's okay. It'll sort it out itself. If it's in a red X there, then you have to address that. So right now it says unique numeric IDs are not assigned. Here I can hit the drop down where I can open up my properties and I can figure it out manually if I want, or I can just go auto assign IDs, and that's the one I will use because that's the fastest. ArcGIS Pro will apply some IDs to my feature layer automatically. Now I'm good. I can go analyze again, check it out, make sure that everything's good, and when I am finished, I will go publish, click the publish button, and it will publish. So this will take a little bit of time, and when it's done, it'll let you know when it is uploaded to ArcGIS Online. And we can see it is done publishing. So now I can pop over to ArcGIS Online and check out what's going on there. So I'll log into my ArcGIS Online account, and I'll click the Content tab on the top. So I'll click Content, and I should see my new published web layer associated there. And you published a map layer to ArcGIS Online. Congratulations. Bye, folks.